There's something truly awe-inspiring about a vehicle that doesn't just get you from point A to point B, but instead transforms the very journey itself. This Toyota Expedition Motorhome is a bold statement on wheels. It doesn't just challenge the definition of off-road power and luxury, it redefines it. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a full-fledged armored fortress on wheels, engineered to conquer the harshest terrains while offering the kind of luxury that feels more like a penthouse suite than a mobile living space. Now let's talk about the exterior first, because, frankly, it demands attention. The Toyota Expedition Motorhome is unlike anything else you'll see on the road. This is a true 12 by 12 configuration, 6 massive wheels on each side, totaling 12 wheels, designed to grip any surface and take on every challenge that comes its way. Whether it's gravel, sand, snow, or even rock, these heavy-duty off-road tires, with their aggressive tread patterns, are built to navigate anything the earth throws at them without hesitation. The truck exudes power and presence, standing tall with bold lines, sharp angles, and a commanding look at the front. You'll find the iconic Toyota grille, front and center, with the recognizable emblem proudly displayed. This motorhome doesn't just look strong, it is strong. The reinforced tactical bumper, paired with a heavy-duty winch and recovery shackles, makes it clear this is a vehicle that means business. The roof is equipped with a full LED light bar, capable of turning the darkest of night into broad daylight, while bumper-mounted spotlights and auxiliary lights ensure you can navigate through the thickest wilderness without a hitch. The exterior color palette is as bold as its functionality. A sleek matte black finish dominates the exterior, with striking gold accents on the wheels and lighting details that add a touch of elegance without taking away from its ruggedness. The combination of matte black and gold gives it a sophisticated edge, making this motorhome as stylish as it is tough. It's the kind of vehicle that says, "I can take you anywhere, and I'll do it in style." Moving on to the interior, the design philosophy remains unchanged, an impeccable balance between raw capability and refined luxury. The interior is a sanctuary, offering a seamless blend of high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, and practical design. Every aspect of the living space is crafted to provide comfort, functionality, and style. Entering the living area, the first thing that strikes you is how everything is integrated with precision. The furnishings are modern and minimalist, with sleek lines that make the space feel open and inviting. The seating is built into the structure of the motorhome, giving you ample space while maintaining a compact, efficient layout. The deep gray upholstery, paired with soft lighting, creates a cozy environment perfect for winding down after a day of exploration. The ambience shifts as needed, providing the right balance of functionality and comfort for any occasion. The large panoramic windows let in natural light during the day, providing a connection to the surroundings while maintaining privacy with tinted glass. The kitchen area, though compact, doesn't sacrifice any modern amenities. It's designed for those who love the freedom of the road but still want the ability to cook a gourmet meal. The dark composite countertops are sleek and durable, while the matte black cabinetry offers ample storage space. The integrated sink, flush induction cooktop, and compact, multifunctional oven make preparing meals easy. There's also a small dining area with 2 stools tucked under the counter, perfect for a quick meal or enjoying a morning coffee. Every detail in this motorhome is about making life on the road feel just like home or even better. The bed, located in the rear, is a king-sized haven of comfort with a soft beige mattress, plush pillows, and a clean, minimalist design. It's the perfect spot to rest after a long day of adventure. Integrated underbed storage helps keep things organized, while the lighting around the bed creates a soft, relaxing glow for evening comfort. The dressing area is equally well thought out, combining sleek modernity with a practical layout. The half-open wardrobe design, illuminated with soft internal LED lighting, gives a boutique hotel feel where everything is organized and easily accessible. The sliding vanity shelf and compact stool provide just the right amount of space for getting ready for the day or a night out. This dressing area offers functionality and luxury with the perfect balance of space-saving design and opulence. Now, let's talk about the cockpit. When you step into the driver's seat, you're not simply driving a motorhome. You're commanding a high-tech, luxury machine. The cockpit is everything you would expect from a vehicle of this caliber, fully digital, with a modern dashboard that extends from one side of the vehicle to the other. The center console is a large, vertically integrated touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to media to climate settings. The steering wheel is minimalist yet functional, wrapped in premium leather and adorned with subtle controls for multifunctions. The entire dashboard is designed with matte black surfaces, brushed metal accents, and soft touch materials that add to the luxury feel. The large panoramic windows in the front provide excellent visibility, giving you a commanding view of the road ahead. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine and performance. Under the hood, the Toyota Expedition Motorhome doesn't just deliver power, it dominates with muscle. Equipped with a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine, this motorhome produces immense torque, making climbing steep mountain trails, plowing through deep mud, and conquering tough terrain seem effortless. With the 12x12 wheel configuration, this motorhome has unmatched traction. Whether you're crossing deep sand dunes, navigating through rocky mountain trails, or plowing through snow-covered paths, this motorhome is built to take on the toughest environments without missing a beat. The full four-wheel drive system, complete with locking differentials, ensures power is evenly distributed, helping you navigate any terrain confidently. The high suspension system handles off-road trails while still providing a smooth ride on highways. The Toyota Expedition Motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's about versatility. This motorhome is designed for adventurers who refuse to settle for ordinary. Whether you're taking a road trip through the deserts of Arizona, venturing into the forests of the Pacific Northwest, or exploring the rugged mountains of Colorado, this motorhome ensures you can live in luxury without compromising on performance. So, where would you take this luxury off-road beast? Imagine waking up in the mountains, the sound of nature surrounding you, with your motorhome ready to take you to your next adventure. Whether it's a secluded forest retreat or the vast open desert, this motorhome is built for the ultimate explorer, and it's ready to go wherever your journey takes you. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. It's the future of travel, blending luxury, technology, and performance. So if you're looking for the ultimate road trip machine, this is it. Where would you go first in this magnificent motorhome?